We are looking at some beautiful weather here. Casey Key webcam showing pretty nice conditions out there in the waters, although it was a little bit windier today, and the winds will be up. You can see those seas up there a little bit more, so 2 to 3 foot seas, moderate chop in the bays and inland waters. But a nice sunset tonight. You got to look at this one from Judy Riggs from Nokomis with a sailboat off in the background there. A nice night for a sail with a pretty good breeze occurring up and down the coast. And this one with some crepuscular rays. I always like that crepuscular rays, and those are those rays coming out from the shadows created by the clouds as the sun was setting. Kathleen Brunt getting that from Venice. And you can see the radar picture showing rain moving across North Florida. A cold front, finally, one on the way that is going to have enough power to make it all the way through and clear us out. Now, this same storm system is causing all sorts of problems to the northeast, and you can see that snow was heavy at times over parts of Detroit near Toledo. It really blew on through, though, and now it's near Cleveland or Buffalo. Some of these areas could get up over a foot of snowfall into central New York, all the way down to the northern sections of Pennsylvania tonight as this whole area of low pressure continues to work its way to the east. Look at all these watches and warnings. All the area in pink, that's a winter storm warning. The area in yellow is a high wind warning all across West Virginia, at least the eastern portion thereof, southern portions of Pennsylvania. And this is a flood warning for Manhattan. Now, they're not going to see a lot of snow in New York City, or for that matter, New Jersey. It won't get a lot of snow, but they'll get a lot of wind coming in, causing flooding problems along the northeast. So that's the same storm system, which is going to bring us a chance for a few showers tomorrow morning just after sunrise. So we can expect a few showers to be around, and then clearing skies in the afternoon. The clouds will be with us, I think, throughout much of the morning, and with a slight chance for showers. And the cooler air settles in just in time for the weekend. 74 right now, no cool weather around. This is warm for this time of night. 74 on the temperature, the dew point 71. Winds are out of the southwest at 8. Now, normally in this situation, you would see a pretty good deal of sea fog, but because the water temperature is still into the upper 70s now, it may not be as prevalent. 81 degrees the high today. That was the 11th straight day of that, and 87 the record, so we were far enough away from the record, but still, it was an extremely warm day today for the 1st of March, and temperatures expected to be near 80 tomorrow. We'll have a mixture of sun and clouds. I mentioned that chance for a few showers in the morning and then tapering off by midday. And the extended forecast is calling for another cold front to make its way through on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Well, there's the European forecast model showing a few showers around sunrise, and then by noon it should be out of here. And we'll look for clearing skies as high pressure builds in. This hurricane-like storm will head off to the east. A hurricane-like in terms of pressure, but not in terms of structure, but it was going to cause all sorts of problems over the northeast United States. And as I mentioned, another cold front will eventually swing on through as the storm system develops over the northern plain states. Snowfall amounts for the northeast will be pretty spectacular for this time of year, into the 1 foot range there in some places in New York, stretching all the way over to northeast Ohio. And it looks as though that snow will go all the way down into West Virginia, but we're looking at temperatures not terribly cold behind it. In Minneapolis, it's 29, 21 in Minot, and then 42 degrees now in St. Louis. Highs tomorrow will be 52, and in Cleveland, 35. So for boaters, winds out of the north at 15 knots tomorrow. Seas will be running 2 feet with a moderate chop, and the water temperature is into the upper 70s. Here's a look now at the extended forecast as we see it. Temperatures will stay on the cooler side, at least. Not extremely cold, but cooler right through Saturday and Sunday. And we'll see a chance for a few showers come Wednesday at 40% as yet another cold front makes its way on through. Get a look at this. This is something to look at. This is a bull shark